Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a Albert Einstein project in Canva. First, go to the Create button and select Video Landscape. Now go to Elements and search Blackboard with equations. Then go to Photos. If we go to Photos, we will have realistic pictures. I like this image. Let's take it. Left-click and set image as background. Take a picture of Einstein, then crop it. Adjust the size and put it in the corner. Go to Text and search 210 black box in the fonts. Here we are. Now select the last font. Now, make the font size big and then write Albert Einstein. Change the font color to white. We will change it back again in a little while. Now go to Elements and search for a white background dot and apply the background to the page. Now look and follow what I will do next. The next part is a little hard. Change the color to black again. Now open ChatGPT. Go to the first website. You can sign in. Ask ChatGPT to give me few lines about Albert Einstein. Press enter, then copy the description that ChatGPT will give us. Go to the editing page again, then select text. Now choose this text. Make the font size big and paste the description of Albert Einstein. Adjust the font size. Go to the three dots on page 1, then duplicate page. Go to page 1 and erase all the description, the white background, and Albert Einstein name. Do not think this is just a joke, we already copied the text so your work will not get completely destroyed. Go to page 1 and click on the three dots and then click on Transition. Then select the Match and Move Transition. Good, now your video is 100% completed. You can use it for a school project or something else. So this is today's whole project. If you like it, like and subscribe to the channel.